bike is so stiff just from that little ride there. Hey, yo, right there. You see? So the hot chick in the drop top, wait, what was it, drop top? Anyway, 350Z, she likes the Maxr1. What could she say? She sees the carbon all day. Bah, 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 bah. This thing sounds sick. It's so stiff. Man, this thing feels like it's gonna be a weapon on the road.
Hey, you miss it?
Yeah, dude. This thing feels good, man. It feels like really stiff and just planted. I want to get it out on the road and see what it... Man, I'm telling you, it feels like a race bike.
It is. Basically.
Straight up.
Might as well be a race bike.
It looks so good.
Can you
All
believe
this carbon on here looks so good.
Can you believe someone's getting this for $1?
Whoever gets this is very lucky. I wish I was getting it. I mean, this bike, I gotta ride it again. You guys seen the old video? I've already ridden it, but I haven't ridden it since the tune, and you guys just heard it. It sounds wild.
Remarkable.
Wild, sicky, nasty, crazy. It's a dog.
One of a kind. I don't think there's another R1 out there like this.
I haven't seen one with this much carbon fiber on it. And we're not even done with the carbon fiber yet.
We're not done with the carbon fiber.
Not even done yet.
Look, what do you give it out of 10?
Dude, this is a 10 of 10. What do you mean? Look at it. Yeah, and we got the wheels still coming.
Customs.
So these fresh new super courses will go on the new Symbolo X wheels we got coming in.
What's your favorite part about it?
Just the carbon. All the carbon makes it, man, but it just looks good everywhere now. It's got the red accents on the wheels there. The rear set's got the red accents too, and we're gonna change some of these bolts out and get some red anodized bolts. And the exhaust, man, it turns such a beautiful color. It's just got the color prism on it.
It's a titanium, dude.
Yeah. It's a SC Project Titanium. So yeah, there's more carbon fiber going on. We're not done with it yet. Look at this, and look at the shadow coming through here on the tire. The SC Project shadow. How about that? But yeah, whoever gets this bike is very lucky. I look forward to going on a ride with it after this tune. I really want to see what it feels like. It feels like it's gonna handle good. And we ain't even done yet. So, where can you guys get signed up for this bike at? Right there. Maxie's got it. Patreon.com/Maxwrist. That easy.
It is.
Go there, sign up.
Sooner you join,
And
the
this
better
will be given to someone.
sooner you join, the better the chance.
Yes, that is true. You said we were going to do an Instagram live?
Let's do it.
Oh!
Watch your head.
Oh, good thing I got a helmet on. That thing's hopping and popping.